guys, today we'll be making an adorable curly summer deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems already attached, or you can attach your own stems if you choose to do so. 6-inch and 10-inch deco mesh. I'm going to use two different sizes for this specific wreath. I just chose several colors that match my sign, which I have this adorable sign for the center. Scissors or a rotary cutter, Chanel stems, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I always start by raising my stems all the way around the wreath. Right, so I've cut both my 10-inch mesh and my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. Now we're just going to have fun and mix in the colors and the sizes to make a really cute wreath. So I'm going to start with my 10-inch mesh, roll it at a cute little curl, and I'm crisscrossing each piece. So I think I'm going to try 3 of the 10-inch pieces and 3 of the 6-inch pieces. Again, I'm crisscrossing all 6 pieces so each piece is visible and none are overlapping. Scrunch it in the center. It's going to be a really tight bundle. Place it on your stem and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck away your stem. And once you get more mesh in place, you'll be able to adjust and maneuver it a little bit better. I'm going to make another bundle, switching out a couple of the colors. Okay, once you have all of the desired colors, scrunch it in the center. Come to the next inner stem, place your bundle, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. And you can go with however many pieces you'd like for each of your bundles. I just decided to go with 3 and 3, but you can definitely add in more or less. It's looking so cute and fun already. I'm going to get more bundles placed on the inner ring and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I have all of the bundles placed on my inner ring. It looks so cute and fun and precious. Now we're going to add our bundles to our outer ring. Repeating the same steps, I will probably use maybe 4 or 5 pieces as opposed to 6 pieces that I used on the inner ring. But you can use as much or as little as you'd like. Okay, so I have all of my mesh in place. It's so cute and poofy. Now I'm just kind of adjusting and maneuvering my mesh, covering up any stems, any gaps or spaces. It looks so cute and precious and full, and I love the mixture of the 6-inch and 10-inch mesh. It just gives it more dimension and makes it larger and wider. So that's really cute. You can definitely leave it like this. I do that very often. Sometimes I just enjoy the beauty of the colorful curled mesh, and sometimes I add additional embellishments. You can add whatever you'd like, an adorable sign to the center, any type of fun summer decor throughout the wreath. I'm going to go with this really cute sign for my center. I'm just going to cut the little hanger. Take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm going to hot glue them in place, making sure I have enough of my stem hanging off the side of my sign to easily attach it to my ring. I'm just going to push my mesh outward so that I can snugly place my sign in the center. Just like that. And now I'm going to push the mesh aside take my stem and twist it around the actual wreath ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace my mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step with all 4 stems. Pushing the mesh aside, twisting my stem around the wreath ring, and replacing my mesh. So I'm just adjusting my mesh. It looks so cute, fun, and precious. If you want to go all out and add even more embellishments throughout the wreath, go for it. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.